Okay, can you put the puzzle together? Let's see. Good job. Is that the fire truck? What does the fire truck say? Very good. Bus. Oh my goodness, you've gotten 3 in a row. Where are the other pieces? Can you put these away?
Beep, beep.
That's a beep beep. Where does the beep beep go? Very good, Mason. What about the last one? Good job. And where's the last piece? Where's the bus? Or where's the trash truck? Do you see it? Where is it? Are you sitting on it? Do you see it anywhere? You just had it. Mason, do you see it anywhere? Are you? Oh, there it is. Look by your hand. Over there. Look over there by on the floor. Do you see it? No, Mason, right by the puzzle. Here. You see it right here? There it is. Where does that piece go? Good job.